All right, let's go. Got a decent $9 order from DoorDash. Yeah, it's getting cold. People still out on Sunday, but I think it might start picking up now. It's only 5:30. Uber Eats showed that the $3 markup. So I finished one order right now, and I almost made a mistake of dropping it off at the wrong building, because the building was right, like they're really next door to each other. Like they're pretty small, the doors, and they were like right next to each other. I went to the wrong one. Luckily the guy told me, like, you know, he confirmed, you know, he was trying to make sure I was at the right one, and that would have been bad because that was the $18 order. And right now I got like a $15 or $16 one from Burger Time, and this is pretty easy. The order is big, but they're all burgers and some Coca-Colas. And I'm going to Hotel Indigo for this drop off. Almost there. Right down the street. Here we go. Here we go.
We didn't even have jailers. We had fucking shields.
Oh, excuse me.
They gave you a room number?
1506.
15-4.
Okay, thank you. All right. Look at this hotel, it's pretty nice. Fancy, fancy. Everything about this hotel is nice. I would come here if I was visiting. Okay. Yeah, this hotel is really nice. Looks nice at night with the Christmas lights. That was a good order. It tipped well. And the customer was already waiting for me outside the door. Okay, let's go see what's next. Okay, let's go. So if you look over there, there's like a white tent, which means somebody passed away over there. And that's pretty common out here now. Most likely it was a homeless person. They're probably just laid out on the ground for a while, and then someone realized they weren't moving. Because you could see them passed out all the time, but I guess sometimes they don't wake up. There's a $4 surge, and Uber Eats is over here sending me $8 orders. But you know what? I'm gonna take it because that'll add up. So I'm right here by the spot again where I was talking about the white tent. The pickup is right here at boba time. All right, picked up the order. And I guess the good thing about this one is that it's pretty close. 2 blocks over, $8. You know, it's a time waster, but you know, it's not that bad. I can live with it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. All these people parking, probably doing Uber Eats too. Come on. Jesus. Jesus Christ. So I just finished the boba drop off, and I got some good news, but also some bad news, and then some good news again. I got an $18 offer, and I took it. Took that offer, saw that it was all the way on 22nd Street in San Pedro. I said whatever, took it. But then I looked at the items, and it had drinks and a pizza, and I know those drinks are opened, so I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna deal with that. That would have been a good pickup, but yeah. But instead I got this Habit, the Habit burger pickup for $10, which is half of what I was gonna get, but it's half the distance, so that's not really that bad. Okay, so one of these orders has a drink. They actually threw me another offer while I was locking my bike. So it turns out that this payout is the same as that other one I was gonna go do, except this one is a lot easier. It's one drink, but I added 2 lids on it, so it should be all good. And it's not that far. One of them is down the street on Hope Street, and then the other one is on the other side, Pico Union. Okay, that one's a mission. Yeah, that was a mission, but whatever, let's do it. From here I could see the crypto.com arena, and apparently they were gonna put up the sign on Christmas. I go and see, and it's just like a banner. Like, it's not even officially like a sign, like like how the Staples Center was. So what's that all about? Okay, so I finished dropping that off, and it was the emergency room. Customer was waiting outside, so another easy drop off right there. And this one shouldn't be that bad. You know, I think it just looks far, but it's not that big of a deal. All right, it's really looking like this might be my last order of the night that I'm dropping off. My battery's starting to die. It's starting to go to the final bar. And so when I start heading back to downtown, it's most likely going to be on its last legs. We'll see. Maybe I could get one on the way back. I don't think so though. But anyways, if that's the case, I should be able to hit 200 with that at least. And which means, considering I didn't have 2 full batteries, not bad. All right, customer came outside, got that order out the way. He was real grateful, like, oh, you got my name right, you said it right. I think some customers or just anyone in general, when you don't have a common name, you really appreciate it when someone gets it right. You know, my name is common, I guess. Not that common, but you know, but some people, you know, they don't get that. They sometimes get their name said wrong, and that's probably annoying. God damn, man, that guy's arguing with himself or some demons. I'm pretty sure like the GoPro could catch that. Just the guy just yelling an intense argument. He's like arguing with some demons or some invisible man. Yeah, that's so common to see now. Man, I think I'm getting annoyed right now just at the fact that I wish I had more battery. If I had just a little bit more, I'd be able to do at least 2 more orders. And right now it's showing like a $4 surge. So it's like 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. I would have had that extra hour or extra 40 minutes, you know? But yeah, I should just be, you know what? You know, I guess I'm arguing with myself here like that guy. But yeah, I should just be happy that I got to hit about $200. Here's some more yelling going on. There's a church here. These guys preaching their lungs out. That's what they go to church for. Preach. All right. So yep, that was the last drop off, and it's time for me to head out. And so since I'm leaving a little on the earlier side, I'll have enough energy for tomorrow, which is a good thing. I actually did better than I thought I would energy wise. So yeah, that turned out to be the last order. So I'm heading home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and all that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, bye.